The first step is preparation before replacing. The second step is to detach the box and have the pump at hand. The third step is to remove the old impeller. Remove the screws on the pump cover with 8 mm wrenches. Remove the pump head and gasket. Replace the 8 mm socket bit with the hand drill. The flat blade screwdriver is stuck on the stainless steel blade. Unscrew the blade screw. Take out the stainless steel blade, gasket and stainless steel flake in sequence. Clamp the old impeller with the nipper pliers. The fourth step is to replace with new impeller. Find the flat position of the impeller and match the flat position of the motor. Align the screw holes and replace the gasket, stainless steel gasket, and the stainless steel blade in sequence. The flat blade screwdriver is stuck on the stainless steel blade, and the hand drill locks the blade screw. Replace the gasket. Look at the gap of the pump head, align the screw holes, then replace the pump head. Diagonally lock the pump head screws. The fifth step is to put the pump back in the collar box.